I know a lot of you out there build tester coils need one of these. Now it's a real simple piece, but I can't find your manufacturer to give me one of these. So what is it and why do I need it? This right here is a 1/4 inch copper. Goes around number 1. I just need that. Goes around, latches in. Goes around that side. Now, all you have to do is take a wire, you strip it back, you put it in here, you bend the wire over and solder it to it. Now, that'll give you a clip. Now you can just pull this thing. Goes in pretty tight. Anywhere you want on your number 1. And then now it'll go in there. Now, how do you build this? Because they're not going to sell this to you. I wish they did, because I'd buy a bunch. Here's what I have. Right here, it's just copper. It's got a bunch of holes in it that are useless to me, but there is strips of metal in there that I need. So let's just take a rough measurement of how long I want this thing. And we're only looking at what? This is about 2 inches long. So there to there. There you go, that's it. Just gonna take some shears and cut it. Now, with this piece here, we're gonna cut this. All I'm looking for is this. So right at the holes, where I think this hole, the bigger one, is gonna need to be cut. I'm gonna cut it right there. Now I have the piece that I want. Little piece of copper. Now you may have this laying around, just make sure it's thick enough so you can play with it. Now the other side of this, by the way, you can cut that and use it for one as well. Go back to our clip. First thing we want to do is bend it in half. Take this, that easy. Bend it to the halfway mark. Simply going to take a pair of needle nose here, squish it down to that. This right here, that's where your wire goes in. Your left, with this right here, 2 pieces on there. Now, one thing I will say I like to do is reopen it back up with your flathead. Again, this is pliable material, but just thick enough. You can't do everything with your fingers. I'll take the ends of it like this and just turn them out. Just like that. Now I have that. Okay. Again, we would look at this. We're almost through the process. What's the next step? Well, now I have to take this piece right here. Put this over it where I want it. See exactly how far I need to go. I'm going to take these right here. Put them right in right there. Bend them back in. Now I have that shape. Now let's clean this shape up. Almost done here. Again, not a very hard process. Just once you know it, you know it. Now, there we are. All you're going to do at this point is you got to take your little ball peen hammer here and you're going to clean it up. Let's take a look at what we got. Now I got to get my hands around this thing right here. And sorry, unfortunately, I got big hands, so you're going to have to deal with it for a second. Now I just about got it. There's our original. There's our new one. You can see right there. Now it's just about playing with it. Are they the same length? No. Then you need to cut off the end a little bit. You need to smooth it out. You need to take a nail file, or not a nail file, just a regular file for your shop. Clean up the edges, stuff like that. You can use a grinder. This is all preference at this point. As long as it works, that's what I care about. How it looks to you is up to you. I saw it was a little bit longer here. Didn't like that. Like that. Yeah, that's hot. All right. Back on there. Again, these outside ones, you have to make sure they open up. One of the worst things you could do is leave that sucker closed. And inevitably you'll be reshaping this quite a bit. But here's the point. Once they're on there like that, you're done. You have it set up. All you have to do is make sure it goes around there. It locks in. But this needs to go a little bit more around it to tighten it up. But that's it. Solder it on, you're good to go. There's your clip.